This video teaches you how to set up a proxy inside Dolphin. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now, leave your like. Here we talk about paid traffic and digital marketing. Well, if you haven't registered with Dolphin, I'll leave you a link here and a coupon for a 20% discount on plans over 10 profiles. It's the Rocky BBR coupon. So, if you haven't registered or want to sign up for a discount, link here. You can use another email address if you already have an account. By following this link and using the coupon, you'll get 20% off. So let's go to the PC screen. Once you've installed Dolphin, remember that if you don't know how to install it either, there's a video here in the video description on how to install Dolphin. Well then, it's very easy to install the proxy. Here you go to create profile. You'll enter the name of the profile you're going to use. And here's the proxy, new proxy. Here, if you're going to use it for TikTok, Facebook, and so on, you select what you want. This doesn't interfere with anything if you select the wrong one. It will just create some shortcuts for you in Dolphin. The proxy is here. We have different types of proxy and I'll show them to you here on the site. However, here you can choose the authentication of your proxy, whether it's HTTP, SOC5, SOC4, or SSH. So let's say it's SOC S5, which is the most common. You're going to paste your proxy here and it will turn green here, okay? If it doesn't turn green, it's because there's an error. I'll show you how it looks here. So guys, after you've bought the proxy, or if you already have one, you'll come here and paste the proxy. Then you'll select the authentication that it is and you'll check here. You got the IP right, Sao Paulo, America? Great. Once you've done that, you've got the proxy, okay? You come here to create a profile and here you'll have a totally isolated profile. Whether it's Facebook, Google, TikTok, whatever, you already have a totally isolated profile here. If you want to add the proxy to a profile you already have here and don't want to create a new one, you can. You come here to edit and here you put in the new proxy and change the proxy. Just a tip, if you're advertising on Facebook and you change the proxy or come here to add it, you have to warm up the profile for at least a couple of days, okay? So don't create too many things. Don't change too many things, important things on BM for at least 1 to 2 days after you've added the proxy, okay? So as not to give, it will see that the location has changed. So if you start doing too much, it could be a problem, okay? So wait 1 to 2 days. Well, now a lot of people are asking what kind of proxy to use, where to buy it, how it's done. Guys, here I'm going to show you our dashboard and I'm going to show you every detail of each proxy so you can understand, okay? We also have an IBM profile here, which you can buy directly if you want to start advertising on Facebook again. So in a nutshell, rotating proxy. This proxy here automatically changes IP every 10 minutes and can pick up IPs from other countries, not just Brazilian IPs, okay? This one doesn't control the IPs or when it switches or not. It switches automatically every 10 minutes. This proxy here, the IPv SOCV Premium, it's a proxy for those who use this IPv4 protocol here or this SOCV Premium, okay? It's also used for contingency and other purposes. We also have the CPA proxy here, right? What happens with this proxy? You have access to it, you'll have an IP per proxy, okay? If you want to have more IPs, you need to subscribe to more proxies, or if you've subscribed to a proxy and want to change the IP, you can change it. We give you up to 2 free exchanges, which means that theoretically you'll already have 3 IPs here when you subscribe to the proxy, right? So you've used 1 IP, you've discarded it, you've gone and changed it, and you've got 2 more to use. So how does it work? So each proxy is an IP and then you can change them. Once you've exceeded 3, it's 15% of the value of the proxy for you to make the exchange. So if you want to have 10 IPs on your machine directly, working simultaneously, you need 10 proxies, right? And we have a discount. Call us on WhatsApp and we'll have a discount table for proxies over $10. Otherwise, a proxy is 29 reais. A lot of people say, oh, the proxy is expensive because in the UK, it's $4 or $5. Guys, just by converting it there, it's almost the same as our proxy, okay? Not to mention that the proxy there is limited and the proxy there can be shared, right? Our proxy is each individual IP. That's why there are no refunds, okay? So if you buy the wrong proxy, we won't refund you. That's in the policy terms. Why is that? When you enable a proxy, it will generate a unique IP for you. In other words, the IP will already be active and cannot be passed on to anyone else. The proxy is yours. Here we have the Facebook proxy. So for those who advertise on Facebook or Google Ads, we have the dark proxy. It camouflages the data too much, basically, completely. So if you use Dolphin together with the proxy, it's almost impossible for Facebook to catch you. Of course, we also have other types of contingency that you have to make for credit cards, account heating. card, account heating. So if you're lost about this, subscribe to our channel and look for the contingency playlist in the videos. You'll see everything there. But guys, to sum up so you don't waste your time either, buying a proxy, throwing it into Multilogin will be fine, right? You'll have isolated the data. The Turbo Residential Proxy is for those who use proxies for other purposes. This is also the CPA proxy. This is another authentication protocol. So if this one doesn't work for you, PVC, you can try another one. Okay, another server. All the configuration of the CPA proxy, you have to check with the person who is giving you the configuration, okay? We can't recommend any type of proxy for any purpose, because the proxy serves several purposes and everyone uses it in different ways. Here, the majority, 95% of the people on my channel use it for contingency, Facebook ads, Google ads. So, it's proxy dark. This is it. I'll ask my video editor to highlight it here. This is the proxy, okay? But if you want others, we also have them available on the dashboard. I'll leave the link to this panel here in the video description. Register, it's free. And then you come here and add the balance. Just so you see, the proxy comes like this. The signature, here I can see it. Here, in this case, this subscription I got as a trial, it's canceled. Yours will also be here only as active. So you come here, you have access to everything. When it was created, when it will expire, because it's monthly. All this here too, once you've registered, you'll receive it via WhatsApp. So you enter your WhatsApp number correctly so that when you activate the proxy, which is right away, you've already received access to the proxy. But if you put in the wrong number or don't have access, you can log in here directly on the dashboard. I'll show you. And here you have access to everything. How much is the cost per trade? How many trades have you made? The value of the proxy and so on, right? So quick and to the point video. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Coupon with a 10% discount on Dolphin over 10 plans. And that's it. Beautiful. Godspeed. Success. See you next time.